Guys, what the heck is going on? Like, seriously, guys, what in the world? Okay, this is so weird because the forecast said yesterday, like Saturday night, it was supposed to snow a lot, and then it would be done. But now this is Monday morning, and it's snowing harder than it was Saturday night and Sunday morning. And the roads were starting to clear up. They're already all getting covered again. Everything's like covered up again. You can't even like really go outside because there's so much snow coming down that if you go outside, you're gonna get covered in snow and be like soaking wet. So I don't know. This is crazy. So yeah, good morning, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day here today. I hope that today is a good day for us because we were gonna go outside, but now we have to worry about whether or not the snow is gonna do anything, whether or not I'm not gonna be able to drive into work tomorrow in Talkingworld, whether or not the ALGS is gonna have another off day or anything, whether or not Skelty's college is gonna close or not because the roads are too icy. Because there are public transit buses and shuttles throughout Talkingworld that take people to Bed Mountain University. And if those buses can't drive and on like the back roads and roads through forests and stuff that get really icy, then they can't open the college and then count people absent. So yeah, they can't say like people are missing from the school if people just couldn't come at all. So I'm not sure what's gonna go down today, but I know one thing. It's cold, so I need some coffee. Okay, guys, we're out here on the porch. Got my coffee, of course. It's really cold, actually. Just gonna put my coffee down right there. There you go. Check it out, guys. It's snowing so much. What is even... Look at this. This is the official Talkingworld porch, by the way. It's not my porch. Like my porch. Because my porch just looks out to Talkingworld. It's actually like chilling my coffee. I don't even know why I'm out here. The flakes are giant. I don't know if you guys can tell. And then these are the steps leading up to Talkingworld's grand entrance. It's totally covered. It's probably icy too. So we're about to head outside to hang out in the snow for a little bit. Kind of abruptly just decided, let's go out! So Skelty and Ossian are already out there, and I'm going to join them just as soon as I get my winter clothes on. We don't have any sleds right now, because the last winter, the sleds, we rode on it so many times, and we went down these big hills. And at one point, Skelty was standing up on the sled, and he ran right over this giant tree branch. It was a giant root on one of the hills, and the sled split in half, and he rolled down the rest of the hill, like, on his butt. So, we don't have any real sleds, but we do have this little pool toy. It's like a, surfboard, but a lot smaller, and you can use it in a pool for, like, balancing and stuff. And we're going to try and ride that down the hills, so hopefully we don't fall off. And yeah, I guess get some snow clips.
The one my heart has gone to mean I'm going to wait. Mean I'm going to wait. Because it takes tico tock. Tico tick. Oh, tico tock. Tico tick. Oh, tico tock. Tico tick. Oh, tico tock. This tico is a cuckoo in my car.
So I crashed out on the couch after coming in from playing in the snow, and I fell asleep. And when I woke up, Skelty and Ossian had already made a pizza, so I went in there and I ate. And now it's getting a little bit late, so we're gonna head to bed. We had a really fun day today. I had tons of like videos, and we went down a ton of times, but I didn't film most of them. We sledded down the hill and played in the snow, but most of it I didn't film. I was too busy hanging out. So yeah, Ossian's gonna sleep with us again and sleep in our house again, and yeah, he's gonna bunk here, and basically this wraps up our day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I hope it was fun and exciting playing in the snow. This is the first time we've really had a snow day this season. I know that the previous vlog is called First Snow Day, but this was the real first snow day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next vlog, and yeah, good night.